There are four different types of conic sections. There's the parabola, which is drawn right here, an ellipse, which is kind of like an oval, circles, and then hyperbolas, which look a little bit like parabolas, but there's two parts to it. It's like almost like two opposite facing parabolas. So the first thing that we're going to dig into here in our notes is how to identify, and we're going to first just look at whether it's a circle, an ellipse, or a hyperbola, because those are the most similar. Parabolas are pretty easy to tell. We'll get to that later. So all you need to do for circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas, they each will have x squareds and y squareds. But the differences that you're looking for is that for circles, the coefficient of the x squared and y squared will both be the same number. For ellipses, the coefficient of x squared and y squared will be different positive numbers. And then for hyperbolas, x squared and y squared, one of them will be positive and one will be negative. So they jump out at you pretty quick, too. So let's look at some examples here. We are just going to first focus on the x squared and y squared terms. X squared, y squared, they're both positive. They both have the same number, it's both a 1. So that is a circle. Here, x squared, 36y squared, they're both positive, but they have different numbers. So that is an ellipse. Here we have x squared and y squared. They're both positive, different numbers, so that is also an ellipse. Here's our x squared, y squared. We have a negative x squared and a positive 25y squared. Since they are different, one's negative, one is positive, that is a hyperbola. Negative 9x squared, positive 25y squared. One negative, one's positive, so that is also a hyperbola. And then 16x squared plus 1y squared, they're both positive, different numbers, so that is an ellipse.